Hello guys, good morning. So a client reached out to me that I should come fix appointment with him this morning. So I'm already dressed and I'm going. So when I get to the site, good morning sir. So when I get to the site, I'm gonna show you how the site is. And apart from forex trading, this is something I do.
I've already booked my flight since Nigeria roads are very terrible. Now, due to the fact that this contract is not a major contract that is going to bring me billions of dollars, I'm not going to be traveling with first class, waste of priority. I'm going to be going with economy. Here now, I'm on the park now, and this is the environment on the park. Okay, I've seen my ride. It's a tricycle, and I don't even know when I'm going to get there, but anyway, it's a tricycle. I'm loading up and also waiting for some other passengers to come. Now we move. We've been traveling for like 30 minutes now, and all I'm seeing here is bush. Hope this is not kidnapping. Well, let's continue since I'm not the only one getting kidnapped. But this is becoming too much bush and I'm no house available. After a long travel from this flight, I was tired from this flight. But anyway, let's go to the site first. We are here on the site. Let's see.
Okay, this client reached out to me I should come fix a door. This is a hotel somewhere in Ebonyi State, and I'm currently working on these doors here now. So I'm here now with my tools and everything. So let's go inside and I'll show you the doors I'll be working on. Okay, this is the entrance, and here we are inside the parlor. So you can see my table is already set up, and my journey is already set up. Everything is set up, and these are the doors I'll be working on. These are foreign made doors. You can see, right? So these are the doors I'll be working on. Okay, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Those are the doors, and these are the frames. Okay, today is day one working on this site. I was called by this client, and I was called to come fit doors to this place. And like I said, today is day one. So this is the first door. You can see I've labeled it. This door one. We have door two here. I have the label here. This is door two. And we have the next one there. You can see the next one right there, right? That is door three.
First, let's start with the curtains. I've taken some measurements of the curtain because the frame were too small.
6 hours later.
The cutting was way too much, so after the cutting, I started with the H-taping ASAP. Mind you, the reason for this cutting was because the frame was way too small. And normally, when the frame is too small, we make cuttings, H-tape it, file it, and make other things called grooving before we can start assembling the frame. At this point, I haven't even started assembling the frame, and I know I was in for a long walk. And this door is 27 doors. It's going to take me a period of 1 week and thereabouts. Thereby, my trading for this week is going to be jeopardized, but this is what I do. You can see I will have to tape every one of these wood and file them.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, I just finished with the grooving, and this is how I look. I look pretty good. So I'm gonna be going inside now and I'll start some other works. And that's it. This is too small for the space, so I'll be needing to break it down so my frame could fit perfectly. So watch me do that. Stop making noise.
After telling the kid to stop making noise, I need to start breaking the wall. The walls was too hard and the tools wasn't the right tools. I'm breaking it, but it looks like I'm doing nothing.
So that is basically what my day is going to be looking like, breaking of walls. So I'm going to go continue with that. And I have 27 doors to break. And I'll be updating you guys. So stay tuned.
The next day.
Now, after the wall breaking, I need to start assembling the frame.
Joint is just going to fit into this joint. That's it, right? So I'm just going to something like this. Just going to that.
And you can see this is the frame, and I'm done assembling it.
I brush this so it doesn't move. So now I'm going to hang it up here. Now watch me do that. Fitting wood so it will hold the frame firm.
Checking if the frame is straight using this plumb. Checking if the frame is also squared. I'm going to check this side also. This side also. This side also. This side also.
The frame is pretty hung, so I'm going to hang the door now. Okay, this is the door.
These are precautions and prerequisites for hanging of frames and hanging of doors. You need to take all these precautions to make sure the door and the frame are perfectly fitted.
Okay, I've shifted it up, but we still have some problem. You can see that this place is small and this place is kind of wide, so I'm just going to adjust here. Okay, you can see, right, I've fixed everything, and right now I'm going to add my gum. This is the gum I'll be using. Watch me do that. I'm going to add here first because I need this frame to tight. Hey, that was a mess. Okay, that's it.
This gum I'm applying is very strong, and after this thing is dark free, it's very strong, and I bet you can't even pull it down. So if you're thinking I was going to be using cement to chalk it, no, we are advanced and we don't use cement. This gum is strong enough to hold the world up.
Let's wait and see.
A few moments later.
Okay, you can see now it's stack free now and it's strong now. So I'm going to put the architect inside the architect, and that exactly explains my bias. So now I'm bearish on the euro, right? In continuation with the previous week bearishness, I'm also bearish this week on euro. Guess where I'm going? I want to see those lows taken. So having that in mind now, I'm bearish on the higher time frame. So I'm going to head down to 1 hour time frame maybe and check for my entry criteria. Okay, I'm about to fix this architect now, and I just want to see. Sorry.
Okay, the video you just watched was a sneak peek about my trading. I was at site and I took those trades, and I was having a hard time editing the video to post. But right now the video is live on my YouTube. I've posted it. I took that trade while I was at site, and I've posted that video. It's on my YouTube. You can watch it and you know why I'm bearish. On that video, I explained my bias, I explained my framework, I explained my entry criteria, everything to the fee. I didn't hold anything back. I explained it. And if you haven't watched that video, you can go and watch the video. And there's a lot of gems on that video about bias. So go and watch that video and continue this. Now I'm working on this architect. First I'm going to cut for this right side, So when this one is okay, I'm going to cut for the top. When I'm done with the top, I'm going to cut for the left side, and when I'm done with it, we're going to see how good it looks. It's going to cover all these holes beside the frame. It's going to cover them up. Now I want to cut for this side. So when I cut this side for the upside, then I'll be cutting for the left side long one, that is the vertical one on the left side.
See the brick.
Okay, I'm done with the 3 cuttings I need to make for this front, and now I'm going to fit the top one, and you're going to see how it's going to look. Now mind you, after fitting it, I'm not just leaving like this. I'm applying gum, top bond, so it's going to bond it, not just pushing it in like this and letting it be. I'm applying top bond, but that's behind the scene.
Okay, and that is it. Close that door for me. That is it. Okay. Thank you.